Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. Today in this video, I will be talking with you about a very exciting phone, and this is not flagship. This is phone from Nokia, which is 5310. It's a feature phone and a very useful one, I would say, because this phone comes with 30 days of standby time if you're going to use only one SIM, and it is very useful if you want to give it to your grandparents or your parents because it is very simple to use. And you can also keep this phone as your secondary phone because of the battery backup, obviously. Let's say for example you are going to trip of Ladakh or maybe some remote place, so you do not need to worry about the battery because this one will give you battery backup which is sufficient enough and will cover the entire journey. So without wasting further more time, let's unbox it. So here is the box and I bought it from Amazon, and I forget to mention the price. So I got it for 3,300. Sometime what happened, the price will fluctuate, so you can get it around 3,000 to 3,500. Now let's unbox it. So let me just open it like this. Okay, so I think I need to open it from here as well. Okay. This is in white and red color. You can see, and it looks fabulous. I will unbox it, but let's quickly go through its specification. Here we can see this phone comes with 2.4 inch of TFT display, which I would say the resolution might be of 320 by 240 pixels. And it also comes with dual speaker, which we're going to test it, and with FM MP3 player, and also with micro SD expansion slot which can expand up to 32 gigabyte, which I would say is more than enough for this phone. And as I talked before, this phone comes with 30 day of standby time in case of single SIM, and if you're going to use dual SIM, still you can see the standby time is 22 days. And these hours are actually the talk time, which I would say is very nice. Apart from that, this phone also comes with internet browser, games, video player, camera with flash and torch. So now let's quickly unbox it. And here we go. Here how it looks like, and this color looks fabulous, I would say. Here we can see we have got dedicated buttons. So let's keep this phone aside and check what's inside the box. So we can find this pair of headphones, which is quite rare now these days. You can see some companies are not even offering charger inside the box, and here we are getting this headphone. So here is a battery, which is, let me check if it is not VL5C. It is BL4UL and the capacity is 1200 mAh or 4.4 watt hour. So I will keep it aside, and here comes the last thing, which is chargers. So this one have micro USB port, and I would say it is good, but nowadays like USB type C is more common, so it would be nice if they could have provided USB type C, but it's okay for this price point. And here we have got this quick guide. So I'm not going to touch it. Now let's quickly insert battery inside it and let's try to run it. So here we can see these are two SIM slots. This one is SIM 1 and this one is SIM 2. Let's try to find out the card slot, which is here. So you can insert card also. Now let me quickly insert the battery inside and we will try to start it. Just you need to press this button, this one, and here we go. Now from here you can select your language. If you want to select Hindi, you can select Hindi. So here we go. The display looks nice. It also have got camera. So let me just test the camera. So here is how this look. Okay. Now let me just go to music section. Currently it do not have any music. It also have got this game which is Assassin's Creed and Oswald. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Nokia 5310. Please consider like and subscribe to this channel if you like this video, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye bye.